a brand new mini drone has entered the market. This is always such an exciting time. I'm absolutely obsessed with the Mini range from DJI. And we've got the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This is the Fly More Combo Plus that comes with the RC2 that you can see here. Very, very keen to see what they've done here, but it actually looks like it might be a significant upgrade this time. So let's have a little look. Always love the packaging. Always love that experience of unwrapping their drones. Okay, here we go. So let's have a look and see what we get inside. Boom, there we go. So, have we got a new bag this time, or have we got a similar bag? Okay, there we go. So it just comes all included in the bag, so nothing else in the box, just the bag. And it looks like a very similar bag. This pattern we've seen before, this kind of orange accenting like stitching has been very common, this triangular design. All of this looks quite similar to what we've seen in the past. We've obviously got the strap that we can unwrap here to turn it into a bag, you know, like a shoulder bag. And so here we go. Right. Always very nice to see the packaging. This time I'm just diving straight into the drone. I want to see what they've done with the the Mini 5 Pro. Ooh, I love that. That gimbal cover looks quite similar to what they've done with other recent drones, and I'm liking that. That's one of the more important things, making sure it's nice and secure. And there's just a little section here that you just pull back to release, and then it just hooks in to the little grills here. Really like that design. And then on this side you just kind of lift it up, adjust it and move it around, and there we go. Whoa, so this is a 1-inch sensor on a mini drone. 1-inch sensor, how impressive is that? Wow, so let's just remove some of this so we can see what we've got here. Very different design here to the gimbal. You can see how different it is. There's lots of like dampering going on down here and up here. Oh, that's very interesting how they've designed that. Huge camera system. So you can see it says 1 inch just right there. E24, so 24 millimeter, and an f1.8 here. Wow, and then we've got these fisheye obstacle avoidance, which we've seen from previous drones. I don't know whether this is where the LiDAR is, the LiDAR sensors, I don't know. But nice big fisheye. And then we unfold it to reveal the Mini 5 Pro. Whoa, look at that. Let's just move this bag so we can really get a chance to see it properly here. There we go, so that's the drone. Very interesting. Mini 5 Pro. Love that slight color variation this time. It seems a little more gray almost. A little less of like a dull light gray. Nice big battery system there. We've got USB-C, we've got a micro SD card slot, the power button. All of that looks quite similar. On the base here, they're saying that it's 81 decibels. I'm not seeing anywhere about the 250 gram, that it's under 250 grams. I'm sure we'll see that somewhere. 2 more obstacle avoidance sensors under here. There's a light as well. And yeah, the main piece though is that huge camera system. So let's just set that down and keep looking to see what else we get in here. We might get a new charging hub, or maybe it will look quite similar. Oh no, it looks very, very similar to the previous version. USB-C, power button, and then we've got 3 batteries in this combo. That's kind of it. Again, slightly different color this time is the first thing I'm noticing here. We've then got the controller, which we've seen before, but still very, very nice controller indeed. So this doesn't seem any different from what I can see. We've got the C1, C2, scroll wheels, antenna, sticks that fold away. Yep, nothing majorly different with the controller, but still a very nice combo. And then we've got this, which might be the accessories pouch, I would imagine. It's looking like it. So lots of propellers. We've got USB-C to USB-C. Got more propellers. We've got some stickers in there. We've got some information as well. And then we've also got, by the looks of it, some ND filters. I do like the official ND filters from DJI. So here we go. Ooh, love that. Nice packaging. ND 8, 32 and 128, a nice range there. So that also comes in the kit. And then if I just look at the bag here, it does look slightly different. The material inside looks almost like it's a, I don't know, maybe more of a waterproof kind of material they've gone with. You've got this little pouch section here to put some cables and propellers and whatnot once you've unboxed everything. But yeah, that's what you can expect. If we just move that across so you can see everything, this is the kit that you're getting. And that's the Mini 5 Pro right there. Really, really nice stuff. Really, really nice. There we go. So that's it. That's the new drone. Huge 1-inch sensor. Cannot wait to see what this guy can do. Love that slightly different color. Like, it just is slightly different. It's almost silvery gray, where the previous one was like quite distinctly gray. Slightly different here, but you can see those fisheye sensors that we've seen for quite some time now. Looks like they might be LiDAR sensors. We'll have to really look into this. Just says Mini 5 Pro here. The other thing's the 81 decibels. We've got the light there. And then we've got a completely different design to the gimbal. Like, completely different design. Because from what I've seen, it's got more rotation range. So previously we had true vertical, where it'd go here. But now it can go beyond that point. It can go upside down even. So you can get some upside down perspectives by the looks of it. And then it rotates a little bit beyond that as well. So interesting little kind of dampering system here to damper the effects, I would imagine, of the gimbal moving around so much. Completely redesigned the way that looks. And yeah, it looks like quite an impressive 1-inch system on the front there. Can't wait to test this out.